Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm AO. In today's video, this is day number 185 of my 365 days of art. In today's video, I decided to paint this old drawing that I did. I think I did this drawing in the month of July, I think I did it in the month of July. I just did the illustration. It's either in the month of July or the month of June. I think it's the month of June, and I just did the monochrome drawing of it and illustration. So it was on the June 27th. I did this particular illustration, but I decided that I am going to just paint it. The original drawing for today was actually like a character sheet, like I did yesterday's drawing, but for a female character, but I ended up giving up halfway. I think I will come back to it in a couple of days, but I just really struggled a lot with just the drawing of the face, especially the portrait. I struggled a lot, and I just ended up just leaving it. I'm not the type of person who, I do strive to overcome certain limitations by just moving on forward, but I felt as though I should just give up this time. So I did end up just giving up and painting an old drawing instead. I did originally intend to to paint over old illustrations, especially illustrations that I posted on my other YouTube channel. I did intend to paint over them and color them and all of that, so might as well just do it now because I didn't want to draw another character. I already have so many sketches that I still haven't painted yet, so I decided to just go with the painting instead. But yeah, that is what I wanted to talk about in today's video. Nothing too big. The painting process, I wanted to keep the colors light. I also wanted to have some different colors like blues and stuff like that. I didn't want to stress too much, especially coming from that other stressful situation of the character sheets. I didn't want to spend another 3 hours trying to figure out how to sketch the one that I have. So I just decided to take my time and enjoy it and watch some Netflix and work on my graphic design after I was done with it. So I wouldn't say the painting was perfect. Just to paint, especially in my style, takes a couple of days, sometimes 10 to 20 hours depending on how much detail I want. So I don't really, my painting in general isn't as detailed as the paintings that I do when I'm doing semi-realistic portraits. My paintings are pretty subtle. They're not as complex. I'm trying to find the right word, but they're not as complex as if I were to spend multiple hours trying to draw a semi-realistic portrait. But I try to paint them as nice as I possibly can. So that's kind of why it's not as perfect as my other drawings, especially if I'm painting for my YouTube channel, my daily art. You'll notice that my paintings aren't as detailed as my other ones, like you'll find on Patreon or something like that. But I try not to stress about it. I try to keep my heart at peace, because I'm the type of person that likes to exaggerate things and overcomplicate things for myself. So I try to keep my heart at peace most of the time. But that is all for today's video. I will upload a few more videos, files on Patreon, especially tier 2, and you will find I will put a new tutorial up on tier 1 tomorrow, so feel free to please stay tuned for that. what else? I'm doing Mark Burnett's 30 Draw in 30 Days challenge, but I'm only putting them up on stories, so you can check that out. And yeah, that is all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye bye.